Hello guys, welcome to Genius Developer. I am a Java lead engineer. I have 10 plus years of experience in developing Java and Spring Boot microservice applications. So today we are going to discuss about the complete Java coding language or Java programming language guys or Java technology. So you guys would be thinking that we are going to discuss about Java technology. Then what is the use of this train guys? This Indian train or Bharti Railway train guys. There is no doubt our Bharti Railway help us to travel from one city to another city. Suppose we are completing our college. After completing the college, every students go to metro cities for getting a better job via Indian Railway guys or Bharti train guys. But I would like to tell that this train is very important to understand the concept of Java applications with clarity and in depth guys. As the train is very useful in traveling from one city to another city across India. Likewise, it's very useful to understand the Java coding language in depth with this example guys. Because Java means an object guys, and train is also an object. So with so many like similar attributes both have, so that's why I have given this example of train, and that's why I'm showing this Indian train here guys. I will explain in details in upcoming topics using this train example in depth all the core Java concept or Java application development guys. So before starting the Java technology, I would like to brief about myself guys. I am a Java lead engineer. I have 10 plus years of experience in developing Java Spring Boot microservice applications. In this journey, I have worked in multiple tech park across Bangalore and Chennai guys. I have worked in Manyata Tech Park, Bangalore guys. In this journey, I have worked in Manyata Tech Park, Bangalore, which is in Nagwara, Bangalore, guys. And I have worked in Prestige Shanti Niketan, ITPL Bangalore, which is in ITPL after Krishnarajpuram in Bangalore, guys. This is one of the largest IT park in Bangalore, guys. And I have worked in Bangalore International Tech Park in ITPL guys. I have worked in ITPL Tech Park Bangalore, and I have worked in Whitefield Bangalore guys, that is in the east of Bangalore. And I have worked in Electronic City Bangalore guys. In Electronic City also is the hub of the IT city in Bangalore. There are multiple MNCs, IT companies like Infosys and Wipro HCL are there. And I have worked in DLF Cyber City Tech Park. And I have worked in DLF Cyber City Tech Park, Puru, Chennai, guys. And I have worked in Ramanujan IT Park. So DLF Cyber Security Tech Park also is one of the largest IT park in Chennai, guys. And I have worked in Ramanujan IT Park in Chennai, which is in Taramani. This is also one of the largest IT park in Chennai, guys. So in my free time, I would like to mentor and guide to the young Java professionals about new Java tech skills and some AI skills as well, guys. So today we are going to discuss about the most beautiful programming language, that is Java coding language, guys, or Java programming. I will touch on all the important points and concepts related to Java technology. I will explain most of the core Java concept with real life scenario, guys, so that you will be able to understand all the topics and with more clarity and simplicity, guys. So please stay connected with me till this uh, end of this journey, guys. I will make you master in Java technology, guys. Till then. सो कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लीजिए कसकर। हम आपको सिर्फ 2.5 घंटे में ही यूपी बिहार या एनसीआर से आईटी सिटी बेंगलोर का सफ़र कराते हैं वाया चेन्नई और हैदराबाद, गाइस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक, गाइस। हैप्पी लर्निंग टिल देन, गाइस।